Let's quickly learn how to solve triangle questions. To find the area of a triangle, multiply 1/2 by the base and the height. For example, 1/2 times 10 times 6 equals 30, so the area is 30 square centimeters. To find the perimeter of a triangle, add all three sides together. For example, 8 plus 7 plus 5 equals 20, so the perimeter is 20 centimeters. If a side is missing, subtract the known sides from the perimeter. For example, 24 minus 8 minus 7 equals 9, so the missing side is 9 centimeters. Now you know how to find the area, perimeter, and missing sides of a triangle. Can you solve all the questions? Let's begin. What is the area of the triangle with a base of 8 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters? Can you solve this? Think carefully. Your time starts now.
20 square centimeters is the correct answer. Amazing start. Keep it going.
What is the perimeter of a triangle with sides 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 5 centimeters? Can you work it out?
The answer is 18 centimeters. Excellent job.
The height of a triangle is 4 centimeters. Its area is 12 square centimeters. Can you find the missing base?
The correct answer is 6 centimeters. Fantastic thinking.
A triangle has sides 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and one missing side. Its perimeter is 20 centimeters. Can you find the missing side?
The correct answer is 7 centimeters. You're doing great.
The base of a triangle is 10 centimeters. Its area is 30 square centimeters. Can you find the missing height?
The correct answer is 6 centimeters. Brilliant.
What is the area of a triangle with a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 3 centimeters?
The correct answer is 18 square centimeters. Nice work.
What is the perimeter of a triangle with sides 9 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters? Can you solve it?
18 centimeters is the correct answer. Well done.
The height is 6 centimeters, and the area is 24 square centimeters. What is the missing base?
The correct answer is 8 centimeters. Excellent.
A triangle has sides 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and one missing side. The perimeter is 21 centimeters. Can you find the missing side?
The correct answer is 6 centimeters. Keep it up.
The base is 14 centimeters. The area is 42 square centimeters. Find the missing height.
The correct answer is 6 centimeters. Awesome job.
You're 1/3 of the way through. Stay focused. What is the area of a triangle with base 9 centimeters and height 8 centimeters?
The correct answer is 36 square centimeters. Fantastic!
What is the perimeter of a triangle with sides 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 4 centimeters? Think it through before you give your answer.
The correct answer is 20 centimeters. Great work!
The height is 5 centimeters. and the area is 15 square centimeters. Find the missing base.
6 centimeters is the correct answer. Excellent thinking. A triangle has sides 9 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 1 missing side. The perimeter is 24 centimeters. Find the missing side. The correct answer is 8 centimeters. You're doing amazingly well.
The base of a triangle is 16 centimeters, and the area is 40 square centimeters. Find the missing height.
The correct answer is 5 centimeters. Brilliant.
What is the area of a triangle with base 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters? Let's see if you can solve this.
The correct answer is 35 square centimeters. Nice one.
What is the perimeter of a triangle with sides 11 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 8 centimeters?
The correct answer is 22 centimeters. Excellent.
The height is 8 centimeters. The area is 32 square centimeters. Find the missing base.
The correct answer is 8 centimeters. Keep going.
A triangle has sides 6 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 1 missing side. The perimeter is 20 centimeters. Find the missing side.
The correct answer is 6 centimeters. You're on fire.
The base of a triangle is 18 centimeters, and the area is 54 square centimeters. What is the missing height?
30 square centimeters is the correct answer. Outstanding.